Hey everyone, this is Eatsleep from the Techies, and I'm back with another JavaScript tutorial. And today we're going to be going over how to use functions in JavaScript. So I know functions can get very complex, but this is just the basic function, and the point of it is to create some code that you can use multiple times later in your website or coding, whatever. So functions are really simple. They just require a function name and some opening tags, and then you just have to call them wherever you want to use them. So I've already gone ahead and set up all of the basic things like our template that we need, our doc types, and our calling the JavaScript up here. So now we're just going to call a function and define a function. So if we just type in function, and let's just call it hello, because again we're going to use the hello world idea here. And here you could write some comments to say what the function would do. To write comments, it's just to is that a backslash or a forward slash? I think that's forward slashes. 2 forward slashes are comments. And so yeah, now we can define what we want the hello function to say or do. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to have it display a message. So if we write var msg, and we want it to say hello world function. This keyboard's a little weird. It's one of them like fold ones. It's a lot. Alright, if we go ahead and close that line, we have the message of hello to say hello world function, and then we have to open the document, display the message, and then close it. So to do that, you just do document open, these little parentheses, and that document message, close that, and then we just need document close, and then that's it. So that's our function to say hello world. And now that we've defined our function, all we need to do is call it. So all this JavaScript is going to be written in the header tag just to keep everything nice and organized. And if we want to call it somewhere, we can call it in the body of the website. And here's where you can use different event handlers. And event handlers are basically like, if you have an image, when you hover over the image, it'll display a message. If you click a button, it'll display a message. Those are just different kinds of event handlers. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an onload. So if we do, that means when the website loads, it'll go ahead and load the hello function. So if we do a body on load, and we want to load hello, and way too many quotes there. Alright, that should be it. Let's go ahead and make sure we have our function defined up here. It's called hello. It displays a message that says hello world function. We have our document open and displays the document message. I think I forgot. I think this is supposed to be write because we want to write something. So if we want to write our message, close it, and then it's the end of the header, and then we have our calling the function in our body. That'll go ahead and display the message. So that should work. Go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead, open it up. Okay, there we go. Yep, so we open it up, and hello world function shows up. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple to use. Again, these can get really complex. They have like specially defined functions, and you can get them really complex, but they are very powerful in that you can just code something once and use it as many times as you need. So hope that was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching. This has been Eatsleep from the Techies.